So hello, I'm Dymphna Ormond and I'm delighted to invite you to the Advanced Management Skills programme. This interactive 6-day course is designed to help you to build on your existing management skills and step confidently into leadership. Throughout the programme, we'll focus on developing a strategic mindset and honing your strategic thinking. We'll work on stakeholder planning and influencing while exploring how to create an engaging and motivating environment, both for you and for your team. We'll strengthen essential skills like planning, problem solving, and communication. And we'll dive into performance management, covering how to share feedback that inspires growth, coaching for performance, and tackling those tough conversations. Plus, we'll work on handling conflict effectively, building self awareness, self understanding, and building those connections that foster trust and influence. This course is all about supporting you bring your management and your leadership skills up to the next level. I'm really looking forward to working with you, supporting you, and guiding you on your management journey. Thank you.